Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft Word 2016 online video lesson series. Previously we have talked about paragraph and its various options. In this lesson we will be learning about how to create list in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. List can be used when you want to point out particular points. If you want to create a pointed list, then Word provides wonderful feature called number list and unnumbered list. So let's see how you can add numbered and unnumbered list. Here you can find two types of list. One is bullets, which is unnumbered list, and second is numbering. So select the whichever list you want to create and select icon of which you want to create your list, like solid bullet, hollow bullet or square bullet. If you are using Microsoft Word installed version, then you will get more options related to icons, but in online version it has some limitation. So I am just clicking on to this square bullet, so it will appear here. Now I want to give title Qualities of Mahatma Gandhi. I know this is a wrong spelling, but I am not going to correct it. We will be learning about spell correction in future lessons, so I am leaving it off. Now let's define one by one qualities of Mahatma Gandhi. First one is leadership. If you press enter, then one more bullet automatically created. Calm, non-violent. So these are the three main qualities of Mahatma Gandhi. So now you know how to create bullet list. You can also change bullet type by just selecting this text and clicking over to these bullets. So you can see how you can change your bullet type. Now let's see how you can create numbered list. To create numbered list, go to this numbering menu and select what type of number you want it in list. 1, 2, 3, which is our numeric system, ABCD, small letter Roman font, ABCD capital or capital letter of Roman numbering system. So I am just selecting this 1, 2, 3. I am giving it heading Work of Mahatma Gandhi. First one is Independent India. Second one is Uniting India. And third one you can write on your own. So this is how you can create bullet list and numbered list. You can also change your numbering type by just clicking here to ABCD, to capital ABCD or Roman letter. So this is how you can create numbered list or bullet list in Microsoft Word. Now let's see one more indenting option which we have left in previous tutorial. If you want to increase or decrease indent, then there are two options available in this paragraph section. If you just click this decrease indent option or increase indent option, then it will increase indent and this button will decrease indent. So now you can use this option if you needed ever. So this is how you can create numbered list and bullet list. Thank you very much.